Hi children, now we are going to learn about word search. Word search is a game composed of the letters of words formatted in a grid. The goal is to find and highlight all the words hidden in the puzzle. Here is a word family: IT, it, BIT, bit, FIT, fit, HIT, hit, KIT, kit, PIT, pit, SIT, sit. You can find out all the words from this grid. These are hidden in the puzzle. The words may be placed diagonally, horizontally, vertically, or backwards. All of the hidden words can be found. Here we have a word family of AZ. BAZ, bag. GAZ, gag. NAZ, nag. RAZ, rag. TAZ, tag. WAZ, wag. You can find all the words from this grid and write down in your notebooks. Here is another word family: AD, add. BAD, bad. PAD, pad. DAD, dad. MAD, mad. SAD, sad. AP family. This is the word family of AP. You can find out the words from this grid. CAP, cap. GAP, gap. LAP, lap. MAP, map. NAP, nap. RAP, rap. SAP, sap. TAP, tap. ZAP, jap. You can find out all the hidden words. You can found words can be found and write on your notebook. This is the word family of ED. BED, bed. FED, fed. RED, red. WED, wed. Do you have interest in these games? You can find out all these words. You can search and find out all the words and write on your notebook. You can make a grid by your own and find all these words. This is another word family: an. AN, an. You can search the words from this grid: CAN, can. FAN, fan. MAN, man. PAN, pan. RAN, ran. TAN, tan. VAN, van. And this is word family of at. AT, at. Bat, BAT, bat. CAT, cat. FAT, fat. HAT, hat. MAT, mat. PAT, pat. RAT, rat. SAT, sat. Word searches are not only a great way to pass the time, but also provide a great exercise for keeping you and your brain fit. This is the word family of in. IN, in. BIN, bin. TIN, tin. FIN, fin. PIN, pin. WIN, win. Find out all these words from this grid. This is the word family of IZ. BIZ, big. DIZ, dig. FIG, fig. JIG, jig. P-I-G pig, R-I-G rig, W-I-G wig. Word searches have been found to boost learning in a number of ways, including increased processing speed, improved working memory, advancing logical and strategic thinking, expanding vocabulary, strengthening spelling proficiency, as well as providing a creative outlet for problem solving and competition. This is the family of OT, OT, COT, cot, DOT, dot, GOT, got, HOT, hot, JOT, jot, NOT, not, TOT, tot. Find out the words from this grid. These are the words. They may be arranged diagonally, horizontally, vertically, or backwards. This is the word family of OP, op, COP, cop, MOP, mop, HOP, hop, POP, pop, TOP, top. This is OZ family, OG, word family of OZ, DOZ, dog, HOG, hog, FOG, fog, JOG, jog, LOG, log. Find these words from this grid and write on your notebooks. This is the word search and the word family of UN, un, BUN, bun, FUN, fun, GUN, gun, NUN, none, PUN, pun, RUN, run, SUN, sun. Do you find out the words? This is the another word family of EN, N, DEN, den, PEN, pen, HEN, hen, MEN, men, TEN, ten. This is the word family of UT, ut, BUT, but, HUT, hut, CUT, cut, GUT, gut, NUT, nut. Find all these words in this grid. This is another family of word family of UB, ub, CUB, cub, RUB, rub, SUB, sub, HUB, hub, TUB, tub. This is the word family of ET, et, BET, bet, GET, get, JET, jet, LET, let, MET, met, NET, net, PET, pet, SET, set, YET, et. All the hidden words can be found and write in your notebooks. This is the word family of UZ, ugg, BUZ, bug, DUZ, dug, HUG, hug, JUZ, jug, MUZ, mug, RUZ, rug, TUZ, tug. Find these words in this grid. This is the word family of IP, DIP, dip, HIP, hip, LIP, lip, RIP, rip, SIP, sip, TIP, tip, ZIP, zip. Word searches have been found in boost learning in a number of ways, including increased processing speed, improved working memory, advancing logical and strategic thinking, expanding vocabulary, strengthening spelling proficiency, as well as providing a creative outlet for problem solving and competition. Thank you for watching my video.